lambda belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, that means first and fourth quadrant. The equation is cos x plus sin lambda plus x minus sin lambda minus x has at least one solution if lambda belongs to in which interval. That means we have to find out an interval. Okay, cos x. Now sin alpha plus beta, sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. Again sin alpha cos beta minus minus plus cos alpha sin beta. Okay, now sin lambda cos x cut, this is your fx, this is your fx. Therefore fx equal to cos x plus 2 cos lambda sin x. Now compare with fx equal to a cos x plus b sin x. Therefore a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2 cos lambda. Now lambda is a member of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, that means first and fourth quadrant, and in first and fourth quadrant cos lambda is positive, but lambda belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Therefore cos lambda is greater than or equal to 0. Most important condition for this example. Now solution of this one, at least one solution. This is to given us one solution is at least one solution. Therefore c square less or equal to a square plus b square. This is basic condition of a cos x plus b sin x has a solution. It's basic a cos x plus b sin x plus c as basic solution. Here is 2 is given, here 2 is given, that's why this is equal to 2. fx equal to 2 fx plus c plus 2 is given, plus 2. That's why this is again plus 2. A equal to 1, b equal to 2 cos a equal to 1, b equal to 2 cos lambda. B means coefficient of sin x, a means coefficient of cos x, and c is equal to 2. Okay, therefore a cos x plus b sin x, a cos x plus b sin x plus c has a solution when c square less or equal to a square plus b square. Now c square equal to 4, less or equal to a square is 1, b square equal to 4 cos square lambda. Therefore 3 less or equal to 4 cos square lambda. Therefore cos square lambda is greater than or equal to 3 by 4. Therefore cos lambda is greater than or equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, because of cos lambda is positive. If cos lambda is positive, that's why this member is more than root 3 by 2, because of cos lambda is positive. This is root 3 by 2. That's why lambda is belongs to, therefore lambda is belongs to minus pi by 6 to pi by 6. Okay, cos x is positive, cos lambda is positive, in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, but cos lambda greater than or equal to root 3 by 2. Cos lambda greater than or equal to root 3 by 2, that means this is root 3 by 2 at pi by 6, and here is minus pi by 6. Cos 6 1 0, therefore value of cos is between minus pi by 6 to pi by 6. Here value of cos is less than root 3 by 2. Here is again root 3 by 2, but here cos value is root 3 by 2 and it's more. Root 3 by 2 and it's more is between these two. Here is cos is increasing till 1. After then 1 it is decreasing up to root 3 by 2 and it is again decreasing. But we have to get value of cos lambda is more than root 3 by 2. Therefore cos lambda is more than root 3 by 2 is between minus pi by 6 to pi by 6. This is important for the condition. Therefore lambda is belongs to minus pi by 6 to pi by 6.